Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Skool step by step. If you're a complete beginner, don't worry, I'll keep it simple and easy to follow. First, go to Skool and create your account. You can sign up with your email, and once you log in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Next, you can either create your own community or join an existing one. If you're just starting, joining a community can help you understand how everything works. Once inside, explore the dashboard. You'll see sections like posts, classroom, and members. This is where all the activity happens. Now start engaging by creating posts or uploading content. You can share updates, lessons, or helpful tips to interact with your community. Finally, manage your community by replying to members, organizing content, and growing your audience. The
As a
more
school owner,
active you
you
are,
get
the
to
more value your community provides. And that's it. That's how you use Skool step by step. Once you get comfortable, you can start building your own community and even monetize it.